Muffin the Magnificent Canario at Elbow Falls. Yeah. Kind of got lost along the trail, and Muffin's leading me home. And it's steep down there. Yeah. At least probably 200-foot drop. Should be keeping my eye on the trail. You can see some caves down there in the distance. Come. And of course, she marks her territory. A little hike. Coughing up a little bit of dust. Probably hard to see on cell phone video. Go. Then we hop the fence. Right, Muffin? And then we're back. Back in civilization. Yeah, there's the falls.